Today in our 2011 Toyota Camry, we're going to be test fitting the Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System. And this consists of part numbers RRRRLKVA-118B-2. Those are the Vortex Aero Crossbars. Part number RRRLKVA. Those are going to be the Rhino-Rack 2500 series legs for the crossbars. And then part number DK114, and that's going to be the clamp that attaches it to your roof, to your actual vehicle. We have the front one installed already. As you can see, the bar has a nice aerodynamic shape to it, and that's going to cut down wind noise and drag while you're driving. With the other crossbar installed, they have a combined carrying capacity of 165 pounds, although you want to double check with your vehicle to make sure it can withstand that kind of weight on its roof. Since we already have the front one installed, let's go ahead and show you how the rear one goes on. We already have it partially assembled on our table here, and when you get to the kit, it's going to consist of the rubber foot pad, the clamp, and that's going to be for all four series legs. Then the legs are going to come with the leg itself, the tightening tool, and a cover with a lock on it. Now when I'll start assembling this. Let me turn this towards you so you can see it a little bit better. It's actually going to slip into this T-slot here. And this metal bracket is what's going to do that. So we'll line it up on the bottom there. May have to loosen this up just a little bit. Alright, now we have that slid on. We'll straighten it back out here. And then you want to take a measurement from this edge out. Now normally you would have what are called measuring strips, where you put them into place, measure them out, cut them to length, and put them back in. But for demonstration purposes, we'll just do it this way with our measuring tape. Alright, that looks just about right there. We'll take our tightening tool, tighten down that screw on the inside. I think I pushed that in just a little bit. And I did. So just to loosen it up just a hair. And tighten it back down. Now with that arm in place, the next what I'm going to do, again I'll turn this towards you, remove this bolt here and install our clamp. Now these clamps are numbered, so just refer to your instructions on which one needs to go with which foot, or which leg, excuse me. I'm just going to get it loosely installed at first, just so the bolt won't come back out. Get this straightened out as well. Alright. And just before we put it onto our vehicle, we'll install a rubber foot pad. Making sure that the arrow faces towards the front of the vehicle. And these are also labeled for front right, front left, so on and so forth. Alright, go ahead and push those back into position. Now we can open up both our rear car doors and set these in place. But before I do that, let me go ahead and put the end cap back on and lock it down with the included key here, like so. We'll set them down into place for now. Next, we're going to measure out for our crossbar spread. Again, you're going to have to refer to the instructions on this. And with a crossbar spread, it's going to be from center of bar to center of the bar. Make sure they fit properly. Okay. All right. Now we can start tightening them down. Again, grabbing our blue handled tool. We'll just get them snug on both sides, tightening up that screw that we installed earlier. All right, it's nice and snug there. Now once we get both sides snug, then we'll start tightening them down evenly on both sides, giving it about 5 or 6 turns each side until it's completely tightened down. Now, some accessories you can put on these roof racks is a wide variety of things, anything from bike racks to cargo baskets to cargo boxes to ski carriers or kayak carriers. Although, you want to be sure that you obey the weight restrictions of your vehicle when you put those things on. That's good there. And another thing I'd like to point out about this tightening tool, it's kind of neat. It'll tell you exactly when things are torqued down to where they need to be. You'll see at the end here, it has this curve to it. But once you tighten it down, and get a better grip here, that curve will turn straight when you're tightening it with your thumb. All right, that's good to go. And our final step is to put our covers on and lock them into place. And this assures that there's not going to be any theft or tampering of your roof rack once it's installed. And all these locks are key to like when you purchase it. All right, and there you have it for the Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System on our 2011 Toyota Camry.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com.